Hi there, I'm Alex Cunningham, and I'll walk you through this Notion tutorial step by step. Let's jump right in.
Ready to finally stay organized and get the most out of your week? In this easy tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to build a weekly planner in Notion using a free dashboard template. By the end of this video, you'll not only have a clean professional planner setup, you'll know how to personalize it so it truly fits your style, your projects, and your life. All right, let's dive in. First off, we're going to make this whole process super efficient by using one of Notion's pre-made weekly planner dashboard templates. Trust me, starting from a template doesn't just save you time. It gives your planner a polished look right out of the box, and you still have full control to make it your own later on. So here's what you'll do. Open up Notion and look up to the top left of your screen. You're going to see a little drop-down arrow next to your workspace name. Click on that. This will open up more options for your Notion workspace. Sometimes these little hidden menus have all the magic, especially when you're looking for something specific like templates. Next, from this menu, select Browse Templates. Notion has a huge library here, from meal planners to project boards, but today we're searching for Weekly Planner. Go ahead and type that into the search bar. You'll notice there are a few different planner templates available. Some focus on tasks, some on goals. Others might have different layouts. So take a moment to scroll through and pick one that resonates with you. If you're not sure which one to choose, I recommend going for the Weekly Planner Dashboard. It's popular and has an easy layout to get started with. Once you find the template you want, just click Add. This will instantly bring the template into your Notion workspace. If you've never used templates before, don't worry. It's as simple as snapping Lego pieces together. The structure is all laid out for you. Days of the week, sections for tasks and priorities, and even areas to track your habits or goals. Now, it's time to make this weekly planner your own. Start by adding your credentials. This could be your name, the current week, or even your big goals for the week. It's a small touch, but it really helps give you ownership of the space. Next, you can start filling in your tasks and appointments for each day. Don't rush here. Take a few minutes to brainstorm what's important to you this week, whether it's work deadlines, personal projects, or reminders to take a break and recharge. What's great about these templates is how creative you can get. For example, if you're a student, maybe add sections for your assignments and exam dates. If you're managing a busy household, add a family meal plan or chore tracker. Want something visually inspiring? You can drop in images, change the colors, or even add motivational quotes. Notion lets you personalize almost every aspect, so play around until it feels right for you. Don't worry if you make a mistake or want to change something later. You can always tweak and adjust your planner at any time. The beauty of Notion is that it's flexible and forgiving. Nothing is ever set in stone. And that's it. You've just built a weekly planner in Notion, and you're all set for a more organized, productive week. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit like, drop a comment below with any questions or tips you want to share, and make sure to subscribe for more easy Notion walkthroughs and productivity guides. Thanks for watching, and enjoy planning your best week yet.